Hi everybody, the Home Service Pro here. Today I'm going to show you how to change a cartridge out on a Kohler bathroom sink faucet. Let's get after it. So this is the faucet that we're going to change out the cartridge in. As you can see, the faucet's continuously dripping. It drips about once every 3 seconds or so. So what we're going to do to figure out if it's the hot side or the cold side that's giving us a problem is we're going to go down under the sink and we're going to shut one shutoff off at a time underneath the sink here. And then, so when we shut, I'm going to go ahead and shut the cold off first. And then we're going to go back up to the top to the faucet and see if that made it stop dripping or not. And it's still dripping. So let's go ahead and shut the hot water valve off and see if that stops it from dripping. And as you can see, that drip has stopped, so I know that it is the hot side that was causing the drip. So now we're going to go ahead and just open the hot valve up just to make sure all the pressure is off from it. And we're going to go ahead and change out the cartridge in this. So the first step is obviously we've already shut the water off. You got to make sure you have that water shut off or else you're going to get very wet when you pull the cartridge. So now with this particular style faucet, all you got to do is turn the top here and this will actually back this off from the cartridge. You just turn it until it lifts off from there. So a little bit more. There we go. So this is the cartridge here. The brass color part is the actual cartridge. The chrome is the actual valve body. So we're going to go ahead and remove the cartridge. And you're going to want to hold back up on the lower part of the valve body. Just got to get a wrench here. And on this cartridge, or I'm sorry, on the valve body, there's two flat spots, one on each side right here. That's so you can hang on to that valve body. So I'm going to go ahead and get the channel locks down here, and I'm going to get right on that valve body and hold there. And at the same time, I'm going to get on the cartridge up here, and I'm just going to loosen this up. And once I get that off a couple of turns, we probably will be able to back that off by hand. And there we go. You're going to get a little bit of water because this spout here is going to drain back and it's going to come out here, but it should stop draining right away. There we go. So this is my old cartridge, and this is the replacement cartridge for that. It's a RGP 77005-RP. On the back here, I already opened the package just to make sure it was the right cartridge. But if you read down here, it actually shows that this is for the hot water side. There's going to be two different ones. The number's going to be one number off. I think the cold side would be the 04 instead of the 05. But you want to make sure that if you're replacing the hot side, you get the hot side. If you're replacing the cold side, you get the cold side. So we're going to go ahead and get the new cartridge out of the package here. And so here's the new cartridge versus the old cartridge. They're exactly the same, other than one's new, one's old. So we'll go ahead and put the new cartridge in, and we're just going to tighten that back down. Once you get it tightened by hand, you'll have to go ahead and put the wrench back on the valve body to hold it in place. And then get the crescent wrench back up on the top and snug that back down. It does not have to be super tight, just snug. Then from there, we're going to go ahead and put the trim back on. Okay, our trim is back on now. Go ahead and shut that off. Let me tighten that up just a little bit more. There we go. Make sure it's in the off position. Now we're going to go ahead and turn the shutoffs underneath the sink back on. There's our hot side. There's the cold side. And then we're going to come up. Right now the faucet's not dripping. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and run the faucet. There's the hot side. There's the cold side. And then we're going to just shut it off and just make sure that it doesn't drip anymore. And it is no longer dripping. So it was the cartridge that was the problem. We got that swapped out and it's working the way that it should at this time. One more quick tip. Down under the sink, those two valves that we turned on and turned off down here, right behind the handle, there's another nut. And I'll link another video at the end of this one showing you what I'm talking about. But there's another nut back here. It's called the packing nut. Because we operated those valves and they haven't been operated in a while, it's a possibility that they might want to drip. So we're just going to go ahead and tighten those two nuts up just to make sure that we're not going to have any issues with those dripping after we close this cabinet up. And like I said, I will link another video where I show you how to fix that if it does start leaking. Okay guys, we got that cartridge replaced in the faucet. It's no longer leaking. I'm going to link another video showing you how to tighten up the packing nut on the stop if it does decide to start leaking on you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. It does help me grow. Have a great day, and remember, you got this. See you on the next one.